Tuko sawa?
Safi.
So welcome again. Let us talk about class B signs of highway. They are known as warning signs. These are signs which warns the driver or update the driver what is ahead of him or her. So we have a keyword here, ahead. So the figures here are just in triangular shape and apex facing upwards. So we have bend left, means that there's a bend towards left ahead. This is bend right ahead. Double bend to the left. As you can see, you have a double bend to the left or to the right, to the left ahead. Double bend to the right ahead or successive bend to the right ahead. Steep descent, you are moving downward. So you must know how to balance your brakes with plus the accelerator. Then you have steep ascent ahead, moving uphill. So you need to know how to balance both the accelerator here. Road narrows from both sides. These are road narrow from both sides. So we have road narrow from right. As you can see, the road is narrowing towards the right side. Road narrow from left side. This is road narrowing from the left side. River bank. As you can see now, this vehicle is now falling into the river. So river bank is a river bank ahead. Uneven road surface ahead means that this is a triple bump. Sometimes call it triple bump. So when you see this triple bump, it means that there is an entrance around that particular place. Bump ahead is mainly used on a two-way traffic road where you are required to slow down. Dip ahead, maybe there are dips on the river along the road, river bend crossing, or drift ahead. So it means that these are like seasonal rivers. There are places where you can drive and you cannot drive when it's raining. Slippery road ahead. Make sure that your vehicle has got good treads, wheeled treads. Loose road surface, a tarmac road ahead. So fallen rocks ahead. Pedestrian crossing ahead. So here you are required to slow down and stop and give way for pedestrian. Children crossing ahead. Also, children are unpredictable when it comes to road, so you are required to slow down and give them way to cross the road. Cyclists ahead. Cattle crossing ahead. Wild animals ahead. So in wild animals here, you are also make sure that you have closed your windows and be sure that your life is also safe along that particular place. Roadworks ahead, you need to slow down and follow what they instruct you to do at that particular place. Traffic light signals ahead, they are mainly found along at a junction or roundabouts where red means stop, amber means get ready, then green means proceed. Low flying aircrafts is mainly found along airports. Then we have two-way traffic road. Two-way traffic road is a road where two or more vehicles, two roads meets. So you are required to slow down and stop. Then we have junk pedestrian. This one is danger or hazard ahead. It can be danger of fallen rocks, danger of uneven road surface. Junction. A junction is where two roads meet. A junction is a point where two roads meet. So you need to slow down and stop completely. Then minor roads joining major road from both sides ahead. So you have two junctions here. You need to approach this junction very clearly, slow down, give priority to oncoming vehicle, then you proceed. Then we have this one is minor road joining major road from the right side ahead. You also need to slow down at a junction before you proceed. Then this is major road with acceleration lane from right ahead. Major road with acceleration lane from right ahead. So you also need, it's like a junction. So you also need to slow down and stop. Roundabout. Roundabout is a point where two or more vehicle meets. So on roundabout here, you need also to follow all the rules on roundabout. Controlled rail crossing and fenced rail crossing, or sometimes you call rail crossing with barrier. Then this is uncontrolled rail crossing. This is uncontrolled rail crossing.